Welcome to today's painting lesson from Acrylic Arts Academy. In this tutorial, we're exploring one of the most versatile tools for beginners, the fan brush. With just a few simple strokes, you'll learn how to paint soft skies, rolling waves, foamy surf, palm trees, and grassy textures that bring your entire scene to life. Here are the materials you'll need for this project. This list is also located in the description below. Pause here to gather your supplies and come back when you're ready. Let's begin by loading a flat brush with cobalt blue. Sweep the color across the top of your canvas using gentle crisscross strokes. Keep your brush slightly damp to help the colors transition smoothly. Blend sky blue and white beneath it, gradually increasing the amount of white as you move lower to create a soft and natural sky gradient. Take your time with this step and enjoy each peaceful brushstroke, culminating in a beautiful gradient. Next, mix burnt umber and yellow ochre and apply it from the bottom upward to form the sandy foreground. Lighten the mixture slightly as you move upward, allowing it to blend softly into the blue at the horizon. Keep your brush slightly damp to help the colors transition smoothly. Now load a clean fan brush with cobalt blue and paint the ocean just above the horizon. Keep the line straight. Add a touch of turquoise as you move forward and gradually lighten the color with white near the shore to show reflection and depth. Clean your fan brush and load it with thick white paint. Begin shaping the main wave with upward and downward curved strokes. Add broken foamy edges at the crest by tapping lightly with the brush tip. Create a smaller wave in front and add faint horizontal strokes near the horizon for distant waves. By adding small touches of white along the wave crests and reflections in the water. And add faint horizontal strokes near the horizon for distant waves. Now let's paint the palm trees. Load the fan brush with sap green and a touch of black and create long, curved strokes extending outward from the center. Repeat this on the opposite side for a second palm tree. Add highlights with light green. Follow the technique shown here and pause the video if you need more time to paint. and shape the trunks with yellow ochre and burnt umber, shading one side with black. Repeat this on the opposite side for a second palm tree. Add grass by loading the fan brush with green mixtures and using quick upward strokes beneath the trees. Add tiny yellow dots for wildflowers and small touches of yellow on the palm leaves to show highlights. Follow the technique shown here and pause the video if you need more time to paint. Take a moment to appreciate the textures, colors, and layers you've built. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Acrylic Arts Academy for more easy, relaxing painting lessons every week. And if you'd like to keep learning, join our free painting challenges and special community pricing for our complete Paint Your Own Happiness acrylic painting program. You'll find everything at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses. Thank you for painting with us today. We can't wait to see what you create next.